Sorry about that. I have animal. I just want to go home. I just want to live my life. Okay, I'm just watching Killer Hunter videos, so I think I just watched Killer Hunter videos. I never get to go outside yet. My cousin, she keep hogging TV. I can't get it off the TV, but my grandmother can, and my grandmother don't do it. And I know this is a joke video. Okay, you remember the previous minute thing? Today I'm gonna announce the winner. It's Caden from Santee. Right. Caden from Georgetown. Oh Lord. Caden from Georgetown on Emmanuel Street. Congratulations, you was the first person to do my blogs. And the person that's winning the nerf one is Caden. Again, the same Caden. Congratulations, Caden. You are the first vlogger that got nerf and got fidget spinners and light up rings. Congratulations. So your fidget spinners be on the way. So look out for it in the mail. And when you do, it's be coming to you for every day. Sorry for the other people, but I'm still announcing the other two fidget spinners winners. Those two are the fidget spinner winners are Caden. Again, Caden is just the first person to hunt my vlog. Congratulations, Caden. You the best of my vlog. Okay, your fidget spinners be on the way today. So look out for them. Congratulations. Right now, I end the vlog right here. Right. Caden, you earned it. This Nerf gun. Whoa, look at it. Wheel. Boom. It's got these things in there. It got a barrier. I'm gonna put everything apart for you. And then your Nerf gun will be in the bottom. Congratulations. And if y'all haven't known, my merch haven't came yet. I'm getting my people to work on it. If they don't work on it.